Just.
Hey guys, we're back working on this 2019 Forester. Want to be the first ones to bring some of these videos. We just did a fog light one. Take a look at it. Tell us what you think. I try to explain it to you guys best I can, but it should take you more than 15 minutes to put the whole thing together. We're gonna show you guys how to remove a taillight if your wife backed into the pole or tree or to another car and cracked the taillight. You want to just buy one online, buy one from us. We don't have any parts cars yet for this year, but we're gonna get them. They're coming in, so you buy a taillight and then watch the video and do it yourself and then take the money you're gonna, spend at the dealership and send us some candy or something. I don't know, or take your wife out to dinner. Need a Phillips screwdriver. There's these two. These guys right here, little clips. If you turn to the left, it's gonna want to spin with the base as well. So I usually will hold this side, and then it's just a quarter turn. And don't push too hard because it slides outwards. Here, let me show you. If you hold, oh, don't lose that bulb. If you hold this with something and then turn this a quarter turn, this screw comes out. Probably do it by hand. Yeah, my hand works too. And then just stick your fingers and pull it out. So once you get those two out, the stupid covers here, this cover needs to come out, and it's kind of horrible to take it off. The only way I've found out that works really easy is your taillight's already cracked or not cracked, but if you can get in here and pull this that way, let me show you, like this, and then just pull on it at the bottom like this, and it'll slide right out. This is your, and then there's a number 10 right here, and there's another 10 right here. These two 10s hold the taillight in, and then here's your plug. I would recommend unplugging this first. It's easier while it's still intact, and then remove these two 10s. One 10 here, 110 here, and then if you kind of just grab, there's little clips that it snugs into, so you kind of just, if you pull it out, it'll come out. Maybe you can wiggle a little bit. You got this, and this clip right here. These three guys that hold it. Boom, 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 and that's pretty much your taillight for the left side. So there's nothing wrong with this taillight. We're just showing you guys how to take it off. It goes back the same way. Literally, just I wouldn't plug it in. I would go ahead and slide. Make sure when you slide this thing in, you catch this and this. If you don't catch this and this, you're gonna have a hard time. Don't force it. It should just, and you'll hear the little click, and then you can go ahead and plug your taillight back in, and then go ahead and put your 10s back in. One there, one here, and again, I don't recommend using power. Plastic, you'll break it. It's just number 10. That's all it needs. You don't crank it down, you're gonna break something. Maybe one day we should test one. Crank it down as far as we can, see how many turns it takes to bust the bolt. But that's it. And then this piece, make sure this goes underneath it, and and then just put the 2 clips back in. Very simple. Boom, and then you just push them in by hand. They will go in. That's it. That's how you do the left side taillight. Now, this is the same exact for the other side. We're gonna make that video too now, so in case you get lost and you want to see the actual side, we're gonna have another video on the other side. Alright guys, subscribe to our channel, I guess, or don't. Do whatever you want. Alright.